Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to create a letterhead in Microsoft Word. As you can see here, this is a letterhead I just designed for one of my clients. You can see I've done several of them, and I encountered several problems because sometimes if you want to do it in let's say you want to do it in a design software like Canva, the problem you may have is that you design and finish, and if you copy it to Word and you want to edit, it is a problem because it's like a picture. Or you may copy the format and want to paste and it doesn't paste. And if you try to duplicate it, there are several ways to do it. And depending on whichever way you use, sometimes you want to duplicate or you want to enter the next page and you see that it is not duplicating the formatting. But I have found a way to do it and to do it well. And that is why I now want to help you on how you can also do it. So first of all, I want to close. Okay, let me just go and then open another Microsoft Word new document. So when you come to Microsoft, just come and click on the file, click on new, and under new, you will see they will be giving you samples here. So when you come, click on type in the search box, type letterhead. And when you type letterhead, you will see several templates here. So the templates you see here, just go through all of them and choose the one that you are okay with. So for example, if I am going to use, say, let me use this one for now. If I'm going to use this one as my logo, you just click on it, then you see how it looks like. Then you click on what? Create. Now after it brings you here, you just come and then so you can change the color. So the color that you see, so we are going to use these templates and then edit it and fit the way we want it. So for example, if you click on edit header, it will bring you here. You see how it looks in there. So without the header, you see that it looks a bit blur. If you're going to print it, the actual color will come out, and this is how the actual color will look like. When you click on edit header, this color you see here is the actual color that is going to show when you print it. Okay, so you come here and then the color, if you want to change the color, you right click it and then you will see an option to edit the color. Let me just click it again. I'm not seeing the color part. So you can make sure that the mouse is around where the color is. Okay, and so if you place the mouse around the color, you double click it and then it will come to this particular interface. Okay, it will take you to the drawing tools, the header and footer section. So you click on autofill. So when you click on the autofill, now you can choose the color you want. So for example, instead of the green color, let's say we want to change it to this color, and then also come here. Let's say we want to change this color. We want to change the black. If you want to change the black color, so you can come here. Once you want to edit the color here or to change how the appearance of it looks like, you can come here and then hover around any of these, and then you can choose one of them, the one that fits. Then also, if you come here, for example, you see there are different ways that the word art styles. So for example, you can choose any of these ones that you see here. So you can choose this, you can choose this one, and then you can even change the color of the word inside here. So for example, if you want to change it to white, you see it changes. So if you change it, it will change. If you change it to yellow, it will change exactly to yellow, or whichever color you choose, it will appear there. So you can also edit and put, you can move the address here to part of the header, because if it is part of the header, when you edit it, In fact, when you try to duplicate another page, it's going to show there. So let me show you what we should do here. So for now, I'm saving it. And then let me just make it we are going to save it temporarily and then make some edits to it. So let me just do that. Or let me okay, so I've just saved it. So when you save it and then you come back, this is what I want you to do. You can close it, for example, or close the header. Let me go to the header and footer. I want to close the header and footer, but it's not showing. But I'll just close the whole thing for now, and then let me just show you what you're supposed to do. Now when you open it again, this is how it will look. So what I want you to do is copy the address and everything. Then you come here and then right click on it and click on edit header. Then when you click on edit header, for example, you paste this in it. And when you paste this one, what you can do is to rearrange it to fit the way you want. So example, if you let's say you want to see something. You can either leave it this way, or if you are not comfortable with it that way, you can do it this way. So you can put the name of the company there here. So let me just do some demonstration. Then let me just so you can put the name of the company, then you put maybe the address, then the next thing you can put your info, email. Next you can put phone number. Next you can put so you have your company name, the physical address, the email, and the phone number. Yes, they will actually be longer than what I have indicated though, so you can just adjust it to fit do it this way. Yeah, so you adjust it so that it will be in the middle. Then you can put your logo. So the logo, you can decide wherever you want it. So for example, if I want to put, say, the logo here, I can just click on insert and then go and take a picture. So let me go to so I have uploaded a logo. So you reduce the size of it to how you want it to be. So you adjust it to the position that you want it to be, and then you can also, as I said, you let the address be in the middle or wherever you want it. So if your logo is there, your address is there, you can also add the company name. So you can come here and then write the company name. So earlier on I wrote the name here, but most of the time the name is supposed to be at the top, so you can delete it here and rather write whatever it is supposed to be here. And then when you write it, you can increase the font so that the name will look a bit bigger. The name is definitely going to look bigger than this, but because I am just doing a demonstration, that's why I'm making it something small. So you put the name here, the logo here, and then the address here. So when you are done, you save it. Then after saving it, you may also want the logo to be a watermark. So in that case, just close here and then come. Go to insert. Now go to design radar and then go to watermark. So you can choose whichever you want. You can also choose, come here and choose custom watermark. And then go to picture. Then you go to select picture. So you insert it. So at the end of the day, your logo is inserted. So you come back here, save it. So you see, you have the logo in your logo in the background. You have your address at the top, and you have your company name also there. So when you scroll down, just scroll and see how it will be. Create a different page. So you see that the formatting applies, the logo, everything is showing. And as I said earlier, don't worry about how it may look a bit blurry. If you try to print it, you just do Ctrl+P. You see, if you try to print it, you see the original color, the color is showing very clear. If you also convert it, if you save the document as a PDF, it will also be so clear like that. So you just don't need to worry much about the way it is looking blur here. So for now, that's it. So when you save it, you are done with your logo. You have your everything that is supposed to be there intact. If you follow this and you have any problem, please, you can leave your comment in the comment section. I will come in to assist you to help you get it. If you also want to contact us and we custom design your letterhead for you, your business letterhead for you, we will do it for you. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description to contact us. Thank you once again and see you in the next video. Bye.